I've always wanted a subwoofer that's portable enough to go into pretty much any car, and here's how I've achieved that. So here, I have a 12-volt wire that runs all the way through here, so you see black and red. This is going to be the remote's power wire. Over here is just a standard USB to USB extender. So USB on this side, and then on this side is just another USB extender. Here I have a ground loop isolator, and then I have a standard aux cable. So this is going to go straight into the car's aux port. So on this side, I have an aux splitter. So at the end of that splitter, you see that USB plug over there? That's a KN318 adapter. It goes into the car's aux and it goes into the subwoofer's RCA port. So this little device is always connected to my phone. So as soon as I plug it in, it recognizes it. So here's how it works in practice. So RCA just goes straight into here. RCA straight into here. Now those are my inputs. This to my phone. And then it gets its power from the USB extender. So there we go, USB extender. So now let's connect the subwoofer wires. Ground, remote, and 12V. So this red is going to go down here. This black goes up here. This wire goes straight into remote, and it also goes into 12 volt. So here's how that looks. Okay, so now you see 12 volt, red, black, black ground, 12 volt, red. Remote is an extension of the red 12 volt wire. Give each of these a pull to make sure they don't go anywhere. Okay, so how does everything connect back? So in here I have my tube, and then, well, the 12 volt goes straight into a 12 volt outlet. My USB runs straight into a USB power source. Then the aux cable goes all the way into here, just into the aux port. So in the car's infotainment, you set it to aux input on your phone, connected to KN318, and then once you start playing, it plays through both the speakers and the sub.